Hello friends, we are going to create an e-commerce app. So this is the first part. So in this part, we are going to create the splash screen for the e-commerce app. So let's get started. So let's first create a new project. Choose empty activity and next. So my app name will be plans.io and the API level will be 21. So let me finish this. Okay, now I'm going to get some packages. So the first package will be for the adapters. And the second package, it will be helper. And third one will be database. And the last one, it will be login sign up. So these are the 4 packages. We are going to use this in the future videos. Now we are going to create some animation. For that, first click on resources, new directory, and the directory name will be anim. Make sure you type the same and click on this anim folder and create a new animations file. The file name will be fade in. Now we are going to create a fade in animation. Now for that, alpha, from alpha it will be 0 and to alpha it will be 1.0 and the duration will be 3 seconds. Click on this resource and create a new animation resource file. Now this time we're going to create a slide in animation. Slide in. Okay. And create translate. From x delta minus 30% and to x delta 0%. And duration will be 2 seconds. Now we need a fade animation for this also. So click on this fade animation file and copy this one and paste it in slide in animation. Now in this from alpha, just add 0.1. Okay, now we are good to go. Now move to activity main.xml. Before we start designing, let me just change the name of the main activity file. Refactor, rename. Let me change this to splashScreen. Rename. And also for the layout file, refactor, rename, activity splashScreen, refactor. Okay, now we need to add some fonts. For that, click on design file and select a text view and search for font family. You find it here. Click on more fonts and search for Poppins. Download medium one. Okay, and we need another font, and that one will be Volcaron. Click on semi bold and OK. Let me change this font style to Poppins and the text color will be black for now and the size will be 30 sp and the text will be plans.io. Okay, now let me add on image view. Image view 70 dp width and 70 dp height, and the source will be, I already imported a logo for the app logo. Now let me constrain this one. parent bottom, and parent top, and the text view. Okay, so let me create an ID for it, and the ID will be logo, and the ID for this one will be logo text, and change it here also, logo text. And now open your values folder and themes.xml, and change this dog action bar to no action bar. Now let's start Java coding. First, get window dot set flags, Windows Manager dot layout params dot flag full screen, and comma, just copy this one and paste it here. Now let's get hook for text view and image view. For the text view, type logo text, and for the image view, let me first import this one, and image will be logo. And for the animation, first let's import animation. Just type alt plus enter, and the animation will be fade in, comma slide in. So logo text equal to find view by id, r.id.logo text, and logo equal to find view by id, r.id.logo. Okay, logo text. And for the animation, fade in equal to animation utils dot load animation get application context, comma r.anim dot fade in, and after that slide in equal to animation utils dot load animation get application context, comma r.anim dot slide in. Now let's set the animation for the logo text. To set the animation, logo text dot set animation. For the logo text, the animation will be slide in, and for the logo, the animation will be fade in. Okay, just copy this line and paste it here. Now let's get a handler. New handler dot post delayed and new run number. Okay, before we start coding here, let us create a new activity and empty activity. The name of the activity will be homepage and finish. Go to activity homepage XML and split. Just create a text view, wrap content. Text will be homepage, and text size will be 40 sp for now. And now move to splashScreen activity and type start activity, new intent, get application context, comma homepage.class. Now before this parenthesis, type comma 5000. Okay, now let's test our app. Okay, this is the basic animation we made, and after 5 seconds it moves to homepage activity. You can change the seconds by changing this value. Okay, in our next video we'll see how to make a registration form for our app, and this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.